It's time to boss up. Fix your credit, girl, get at it, get your bag up. Hit that gym and get back fine. Go get that degree, go girl, focus on me. Unlock potential that you didn't know you had in you. Fuck that nigga, hey.
What's up, beauty babes? It's your girl Diamond, and you already know. If you don't know, now you know. And if you're my beauty babe, hey babies, and welcome all my new subscribers. I love you, beauty babes. So yes, I got them close. All right. Y'all don't do that, cause you know what. So today is 25th, and today is the RF scan stomach tightener. So y'all know, if y'all go back to couple videos down, y'all see I went to go get the butt enhance or whatever with my butt or whatever. You see, got a little poofy. Okay, so today I am going to go get my RF stomach tightener. Okay, so I will be back at the Glam Elite, the Elite Glam. Okay, if y'all know about it, in a DFW or whatever, and I will put their Instagram right here. So don't forget to follow me on all social media. Right there. Business page right there. And don't forget to go check me out on my Etsy store right here. And don't forget to check me out on my website right there, because your girl has some good deals and affordable things going on. Like I have on my Royal Queen lip gloss, very pigmented. I have on my Rose facial serum, very good. Face is on what? Okay. And I have on my Bougie lashes. Okay, so don't forget to check your girl out. Don't forget to show your girl some support. It's raining like hell outside, but yeah, I have an appointment today and I'm going because I have trips coming up, and your girl gotta be, I'm trying to be a little snatcher, even though I don't show my body, but still ain't nothing wrong with my body. But at the same time, I'm just like, okay, I be want to wear what I want to wear when I want to wear it. So don't forget to like, subscribe down below. I love you, beauty babes. I know you love me too. Remember, I am going to, if y'all looked at the previous video with me going into the place, I had to sneak my camera, so I'm going to try to do the best I can and get a little footage of my RF scanner today. I'm going to let y'all come along with me with this journey. Y'all remember, stay motivated. I love you guys. Big blessings on everybody's business. They have small businesses. Big blessings on whatever you're doing in life, YouTubing, everything. Let's get these, let's run these, let's get these, and let's run these subscribers up. Let's run these viewers up, because it's 2021, baby. Okay, and we're trying to get it. It's enough cheddar to go around for everybody. And I always remember, sit at a table with people that's going to motivate you and people that's going to get you somewhere in life. Don't sit at a table with people that's going to talk about the next person, because at the end of the day, you're going to be still what? You're going to be still down, okay? And that's on what? That's on who? That's on period, baby. I love you, beauty babes. And follow me along with this journey, okay? Look at this. Okay, so this is now, y'all, I got a little poop. Y'all been thinking I've been doing something with that little poopy ploop back there, okay? But yeah, this is about to go, honey. The camera is giving me bad vibes. Let me see. Let's just see. Okay, so this is from last time, you guys. Okay, not this point. But yeah, I didn't have nothing back here. But baby, let me tell you. But now you're gonna have to get this little off. So this is what they're gonna be doing today. They're gonna be getting this little, they're gonna be doing something right here. Make your girl look sexy. Okay, y'all, follow me on this journey. My appointment is at 11 o'clock. I gotta go. I love you, beauty babes, and I know you love me too. Don't forget to like and subscribe to make video to my channel. Okay, follow me on all social medias. Go shop with your girl. Very affordable prices. Very affordable prices. Very affordable prices. And I got up. Hey, we back. Yeah, we back. Y'all, I am on my way. Y'all, it is raining. Look at all that rain back there. It is raining out here in Texas. Texas don't know what it be. So I got me a half little dress on, no sleeves. I got me a Christian Dior jacket on. Check out the drill. I got me some Pumas. The Rihanna Pumas on with the pink. You know your girl gotta keep a little pinky pink on. You feel me? And I got on me some high socks. You feel me? So yeah. So I'm about to go on this journey, y'all. I use GPS because time is ticking and your girl don't be knowing how to get to where she be getting. Garage closed. So I gotta use the GPS, and guess what? Your girl gonna holler at you when you get there. Your girl gonna holler at you when she get there, cause she the one going. Okay, hoping your child gonna go. Hoping that your child gonna go check out her website. Hoping that child gonna go dig up some dirt and follow me on all social media. Yeah. Damn. Okay. So yeah, I'm glad it's raining like crazy, but guess what? That ain't gonna be stopping me because I'm trying to get snatched. Bye, y'all. I got up. And I oop, your girl made it in the rain. Y'all, I do not drive in rain, but I have started driving in rain, and guess what? I be getting places. I ain't lying. I made it to the body glam lights. I'm gonna take y'all on this journey with me. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe. Woo, Lord, it is raining out here. Woo. Good morning, good morning.
How is this weather?
I hate it. I'm ready to get to Florida. Okay. We are here, but the owner is here, so we can't do no recording. But Lord. So y'all, I just left up out of there, and I am, baby. Let me tell you, when I tell y'all, Mary will get y'all right, honey. Mary will get you right. I love her, and she is so motivated. Baby, that's motivation for you. I'm trying to tell you. Y'all go check out Glam, the Body Glam Elite. I gotta keep on looking at it. I should know it by now. But y'all go check out the Body Glam Elite, y'all. They will get y'all right. I'm trying to tell y'all, honey. Y'all saw me. I got a couple more sections to go, but y'all saw me. I'm talking about I am not holding this in, baby. It's the real deal, holy feel. You feel me? Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I love you guys. I did a few clips. If y'all gonna see, don't forget to subscribe, y'all, for real, and follow me on my journey. This is my spiritual journey of peace, y'all. This is me being me, because I know at the end of the day, if you uncomfortable with yourself, you guys, go get yourself done. You are beautiful. You are amazing. Y'all are all queens. Y'all follow her and put her Instagram right here. And y'all do y'all thing, do y'all thuggism, whatever. Don't never give up on whatever you're going through, and like, don't ever give up, because the talk and the spiritual talk that she had with me, y'all wouldn't even guess. That lady is only 35 and she got businesses at the ass. Okay, so I'm trying to tell y'all, we can do anything. We are all queens. We gotta learn and keep motivating each other and keep going in life, because let me tell you, baby, life will take you down in a blink of an eye. But I gotta put this seatbelt on, so we don't play like that out here in Texas. You gotta click of the ticket. But life will take you down in a blink of an eye, you guys. I'm trying to tell y'all, I love y'all, beauty babies, and I hope y'all love me more or whatever, or love me back. Keep on following me through this spiritual journey. I'm about to go home. My kids got things to do, but y'all take care and, motivate one another, uplift one another, and keep on going. Whatever you do, Lord, just keep going. And I gotta go, you guys. That was just a little motivation. Y'all come out here and y'all speak of Mary or whatever, and I'm trying to tell y'all, she get y'all right. Follow me on all social medias. I'm putting Mary's social media right there also for the Body Glam Elites. And y'all keep going. Seriously, I'm a strong believer. Keep going. I love y'all. I know y'all love me too. Gotta go.